And now to the multi-pronged efforts to breach the racial divide in vaccine distribution in our area.
New York and New Jersey political and religious leaders are coming together to ensure everyone gets vaccinated, and they're getting help from the White House. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer has the story.
Reverend Joe Carter of New Hope Baptist Church in Newark was one of a number of black leaders bearing their arms for the COVID vaccine, hoping to demonstrate to members of their community that if they can overcome their own skepticism and distrust, they can too.
I'm not here just for me. I'm here for those who are watching me and influenced by me.
Let us pray.
Members of the Newark faith community forming a partnership with Essex County executives to roll up their sleeves and get the shot. The county has had the most COVID deaths in New Jersey, 55% in the black and brown community.
We have to touch everyone from one end of the county to the other end of the county.
In New York, Governor Cuomo announcing his own partnership with the federal government to open 2 mass vaccination sites in New York City in communities of color. One will be at York College in Jamaica, Queens, the other at Medgar Evers College in Brooklyn. Both will have the capacity to vaccinate 15,000 people a week, double the capacity of sites already up at the Javits Center and Yankee Stadium. The big news is that the federal government will supply the vaccine over and above New York's regular allotment.
These new centers will focus on serving the hardest hit, hardest to reach populations.
Also joining Governor Cuomo was Mark Morial of the Urban League, Derek Johnson of the NAACP, and the Reverend Al Sharpton, all urging minority communities to overcome government distrust.
Many in the African American community don't trust vaccines because of past abuses. But this vaccine is different, and we've had to get out there and say that.
The Reverend Sharpton says he intends to go to one of the new vaccination sites and get a shot as a symbol to others. The governor was appreciative.
Your voice, the minister's voices, I think are very, very important here.
The new mass vaccination sites will be in addition to those currently being held at public housing sites and churches in the minority communities. I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.